At the State House now, a bill has been introduced to ban smoking in cars with small children.
According to the American Lung Association, secondhand smoke exposure killed more than 19,000 people last year, with children especially at risk. News 19's Josie Frost is at the State House with the details.
Under the bill, anyone caught smoking with a child under the age of 12 in the car would be subject to up to a $100 fine. The bill's sponsor says he's been trying to get this passed for years, and he's got bipartisan support.
I think smoking in the car with kids should be banned. I think secondhand smoke is pretty dangerous.
I've been exposed to it before, and it is suffocating.
These South Carolinians say they'd like to see restrictions on secondhand smoke around kids. It puts children at risk for asthma, sudden infant death syndrome in babies, and cancers like lung cancer or leukemia, according to Catherine Warner with the Department of Public Health.
You're going to see children with decreased immunity, children that are getting sicker more often, especially with ear infections, getting the fluid buildup behind their ears.
Senator Darrell Jackson says he was inspired to file this bill after seeing an adult smoking while driving two children.
People said in the past that this is all about choice. And that's fine if you're talking about adults smoking in the car. I would not dare introduce a bill that will prohibit adults from smoking in the car. That's their choice. They have to suffer the consequences of those bad choices. But when it comes to children, they really do not have a choice.
But Beth Johnson with the American Cancer Society says in addition to preventing secondhand smoke, lawmakers should also raise the price of tobacco products to prevent smoking.
So South Carolina still has a higher than national average rate of adults and youth who smoke. And so we need to address that. We also know that the cost of tobacco for our state, for healthcare costs, and for just the loss of productivity, that is all higher than national averages. And so we do have a problem in our state.
The American Cancer Society is also encouraging lawmakers to increase the funding for tobacco control and prevention, saying right now it's only funded at about 11% of what's recommended by the CDC. Reporting at the State House, Josie Frost, News 19 WLTX.
All right, Josie, thank you so much. The bill, by the way, has been sent to the Senate Transportation Committee for consideration.